So what I'm dealing with here, y'all remember, is all this Multiflora rose. It's all thorns have grown all throughout these trees and saplings and bushes, and I can't find anything to take those out. So my boss, let me borrow this. I bought one of these hedge trimmers on a pole, thinking I could use that to reach in there and cut these things, all these vines and everything loose. Nothing. Those thorns laughed at that hedge trimmer. So for the same price, I can get a Craftsman 8-inch pole saw, which I'm hoping I can get into things and cut things and get it broken up. I don't know. I'm tired of getting ate up by these thorn bushes. So before I buy the chainsaw on a pole, he's gonna let me try it out. See if this actually works. This is a Ryobi 18 volt with the 8-inch chain. There's another extension that goes on it. He didn't give me that, but I'm not gonna need it. I'm just gonna try to make some cuts here and see if I can get stuff to fall. We'll see. Never used one of these. I put some bar and chain oil in it, tightened up the chain. He only used it one time, so I'm gonna give it a shot here. Okay, that's not cutting at all. I mean, cut some, but I would think it should cut more than that. I'm gonna flip this chain around, see if he's got it on backwards. Alright, I think it was. Let's try this. That's how it's supposed to work. Holy crap, can't believe that. Oh, shoot. Damn it. That's that, real thorny locust, honey locust. But you can see the vines of thorns. Well, maybe you can't from that angle. Let's see if I can take some of this out. That will let me get in with this now, I think, without getting all the way up, and do some more cutting. But getting that mass of thorns out of there helps.